Just got this beach tent. We're gonna put it up. It is a nice day. It's a little windy, so we're gonna put that to the test and see how the wind actually measures up to this tent. I've never actually used a tent like this before, but we're gonna see how it actually works and put it up together. So let's do this together. Really quick, you just have a strap like this. Takes this off. Ooh, look at that wind. I'm gonna put that away so I don't lose it. See how easy it is to put this up in the wind. That's gonna be the most difficult part, in the wind. Oh, it is a tent. All right. Okay, so it just locks into place like that.
Can we help you? It's a tent.
It's a tent. Maybe I'm confuddled here. Okay, here we go. There we go.
There we go.
Turn it around like this. Let the wind get in there. And if you want to hold it for just 1 second, Paige.
I might go parasailing.
I'm gonna throw this in here. All right. I'm gonna throw a cooler in here. The struggle is real. Okay. So this comes out like this. You can stake that down. This has to be the
That probably goes to
the top.
ground. Goes to the ground.
There we go.
Oh.
Well, we're figuring this out together for sure.
You probably usually want to aim this towards the
Ocean.
ocean side.
Okay. And then we got the stakes. Where'd those go?
Over there. Zips up on either side. This is probably the back.
I don't think it matters, do you?
That one's lower.
All right, so they give you these big yellow stakes so you can find them pretty easy. And they're kind of thick, so that's nice. So we'll make two spots. If you want this extra, like if you want this zipped up, you can. So if you're blocking the elements, you can zip this up, or you can leave it unzipped and give you more of a walking, gives you more of like an entry to this. And there you go.
And then you probably do it to the other side too.
And
You can even just put your beach blanket down.
And then you got the ocean right here. So on a nice sunny day, hot, 90 degrees outside, this is gonna keep you shade. The breeze is gonna come in, the wind's gonna come in. So I didn't expect the floor. I thought it was just gonna be an open, but that's awesome. So it keeps obviously you can get to keep the sand out. So yeah, I got windows here, or you can unzip it if you want the airflow a little bit better. Right there. Another one on the other side. We're gonna keep that up because the sun's beating down right here. But I think this is good. So if you're looking for a beach tent that keeps you off the sand and off the ground, I'd highly recommend this one for sure. A true testament to any furniture piece, any tents, any camping chairs is how easy you can get it back into the bag. And especially when it's windy, and it's pretty windy right now. You wrap it up, you cinch it up, and you see how it's kind of fluffy right here? Well, that's why they gave you this strap right here. So you take the strap, and if I didn't adjust it at all, but if you take the strap from what it gave you in the factory and you can cinch it, that keeps that fluff down, and you should be able to put it right back into its bag. And it's ready to go for our next beach adventure. If you have small kids, this is going to be perfect because it's going to keep them off the sand and the sun. And if they need to take a nap, perfect little beach tent for your kids or your grandkids. That's what I love.